In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Grok AI. We'll go through each step clearly and carefully so that you can follow along with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Google. This is the foundation of our journey. Once you're on the Google homepage, type in Grok into the search bar. You should see the Grok AI website appearing in your search results. Go ahead and click on the Grok website link to head over there. Once you're on Grok AI's main site, you're going to look for the Imagine tab. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the Imagine tab, and it'll take you to the creative side of things. Here, you can bring your imaginative prompts to life with the help of Grok's AI capabilities. Now it's time to make a prompt. Let's keep it fun and imaginative. Type in something like, a realistic funny picture of a dog sitting at a desk on a Zoom call with other animals in suits. This is just an example to get you started. Make sure your prompt is detailed enough to generate the image you have in mind. The more details you provide, the better the outcome often is. After typing in your prompt, the next move is to click on the Submit button. This action will send your request to Grok servers, where the AI will start generating your image. Patience is key here, as you'll need to wait a few moments for the AI to work its magic. Once the image has been generated, you'll see a selection of images displayed. Take your time reviewing them, and when you find one that you like, click on it. This brings up a larger version of the image and gives you a closer view of the AI's interpretation of your prompt. Finally, with your chosen image on display, you'll notice a download option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the image. Click on this download button, and your image will start downloading to your device. Make sure you know where your downloads are saved, so you can easily locate and use your new image. That's all it takes. You've successfully downloaded an image from Grok AI. From here, you can use it for inspiration, share it with friends, or even start new projects based on what you've created. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. We'll see you in the next video, where we explore more exciting digital tools and techniques. Have a great day!